Good morning, children. Priya Rathore is here. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. So, students, here I am with English subject, and in this session we will revise right and left open curve. So, are you ready to revise with me? Okay. So, take out your book 1. Yes, this is a book 1. And in book 1, take out the page number 8. As you can see, this is a page number 8. So, what you have to do in this? First of all, mention the date on the top of left hand corner, 19/5/20. So, let's start. So, tell me, students, which curve is this? Yes, this is right open curve. Students, please remember a thing. If curve is open towards the right hand side, that is right open curve. As you can see the direction also, this is right open curve. Okay. Now let's move to the exercise. Take the right open curve. So students, you have to recognize right open curve here and you have to put tick below the right open curve only. Fine. Just keep it in mind that your tick should not be touched to any other lines. Okay. Now move to the page number 9. As you can see, this is a page number 9. Again, you have to mention the date here, 19/5/20 on the top of left hand corner. Yes. So tell me, which curve is this? Yes, this is left open curve. Students, if curve is open towards the left hand side, that is called left open curve. Here I request to parents, please guide your child about the concept of right and left with the help of hands. Okay. Now let's move to the exercise. Take the left open curves. So again you have to identify which is left open curve and you have to put tick below the strokes. Please remember your tick should be below the stroke. It should not be right side, left side on the top side. Fine. Now let's move to the page number 10. So this is a page number 10. Again mention the date here, 19/5/20 on the top of left hand corner and read it with me. Trace and write the right open curves. So what you have to do, students, you have to trace the dot. As you can see on the first block, dots are there. You have to trace right open curve. Okay, and whenever you are doing the work, you have to name the strokes also. Fine. And I request to parents, please provide dots. As you can see here, I have given 2 dots inside the blocks. Okay, my dots are not touching any sides of a square, so as same as you have to give this. Okay, and ask your child to make right open curves, speak and write. Okay, and please guide them the formation also. Now trace and write the left open curve. Again, students, in the first block you have to trace the left open curve. After that, ask your parents to provide the dot. Only 2 dots, as you can see here. And please take care, your line should not be touch any sides of a square. Okay, otherwise your formation will be wrong. Fine. So these 3 pages you have to do in book 1, page number 8, 9 and 10. Now I request to parents, please take out the English workbook, and in English workbook you have to take out the page number 5. So this is English workbook, and in English workbook this is the page number 5. So first of all, start mention the date on the right hand corner, 19/5/20. Yes, and what you have to do here, right open curve, say trace and write. Again you have to write here right open curve. So parents, please ask your child to speak and write and give the dots accordingly. As I have given here the dots, only and only 2 red lines and 2 dots. Okay, as you can see here, please have a close look. Dot should be on only red lines. ask your child to trace it. After that, join the dots and speak the strokes also. And parents, please guide them the correct formation. Their line should not be go up outside the red line. Now students, please take out the page number 6. Yes, this is a page number 6. Again you have to mention the date here, 19/5/20. Left open curve, say trace and write. So again students, you have to trace here the left open curve, and after that ask your parents to put dots on red line, and you have to join the dots with correct formation and name the strokes also. Fine. Children, please take care of your handwriting because these strokes are help you to make letters in further. Okay. Hope you all have understood, and I'll provide you the link of my previous video for better understanding. That's all for today. So hurry up students and complete your work with very neat and clean handwriting, and submit your work on Google Classroom for checking, and please press hand in or turn in button. That's all for today. Thank you.